Good morning, class. This is Sonal, your social science teacher. I hope you all are doing good. Today we will discuss the answers of Block 6, Motions of the Earth. We will match practice questions and HOTS of workbook in this video, and you will get remaining answers in photos given in Schoolia app in document section. Okay? Now open your content book, workbook, and take your notebook with you and match your answers. So, in practice question, hot question is question 9. People living in Australia celebrate Christmas in the summer. Why do you think so? What's the answer? So, answer is during December, the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, and India is in northern hemisphere, and northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun during December. So if the hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, it means the season would be winter. So, and in southern hemisphere, where other country is, where Australia is, southern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. So in India, Christmas is celebrated in the winters, while people in Australia celebrate Christmas in the summers, because in December in India it is summer, but in Australia southern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, so it will be summer season. That's why people living in Australia celebrate Christmas in the summer. Next question from workbook S1. Question 2 is, what would happen if the earth did not rotate? What would happen if the earth rotated in the east to west direction instead of west to east? So answer is, if the earth was not a rotating body, then only one side of the earth would experience day and the other side would always experience night. If the earth rotated from east to west direction instead of west to east, then the sun would have been rising in the west and setting in the east. Next question from S2. Second question is, if the sun rises at 6 a.m. and sets at 6 p.m., how long was the day? If the sun rises at 6 a.m. the next morning, then how long was the night and why? What's the reason? Think and answer. So if the sun rises at 6 a.m. and sets at 6 p.m., the daytime will be of 12 hours. You can count it. And if the sun rises at 6 a.m. the next morning, then the night time will be of 12 hours. This is because the earth takes about 24 hours to complete one rotation. Now, next question from S3. Question 2. What would have happened if the earth did not revolve around the sun? Answer is, if the earth was not a revolving body, then the duration of daytime and night time would have been fixed. And next question from S4. Here only one question is given. You need to look at the diagram and complete the table. So here is the answer. So in position A and location P and Q. In location P, the earth is close to the sun, and location Q, the earth is far from the sun. Hemisphere is far and close from the sun. So if the hemisphere or a place is the closest to the sun, so season would be summer and day would be longer day and shorter night. And if in location Q, if the part of the earth is far from the sun, so the season would be winter and length of day and night, shorter day and longer night. Next, position B. In location P, equally away from the sun. And in location Q, it is also equally away from the sun, and season is autumn in location P and spring in location Q. Autumn. And as you know, while moving from summer to winter, it is autumn, and while moving from winter to summer, it is spring. Next, position C. And in position B, length of day and night would be equal because there are transitional seasons. Next, position C. In location P, Earth hemisphere is far from the sun, so season would be winter and shorter day, longer night. Location Q, place is close to the sun, so season is summer and longer day and shorter night. In position D and in location P, they are equally away from the sun. Both places are equally away from the sun, so season would be spring and autumn, and length of the day and night would be equal also. And here are the answers of bonus questions. Question 1, answer is day, a day. Question 2, answer is winter season. Question 3, shape of the path is oval. Next, question 4, 13 months. Chinese leap year has 13 months with a leap month added about every 3 years. So these are the answers of all HOTS questions and bonus questions. If you have any doubt, please ask. And don't need to copy the answers. These are just model answers. So please do necessary corrections and complete your work properly. Take care everyone. God bless.